We didn't get dogs to bring more stress into our lives, but rather more joy, comfort, companionship, also a better quality of life. Marvin is good jumping. But sometimes you didn't bark. Doorbell rings at your home. What behavior do you typically see? Does your dog get really excited, jumping on your guests? How about that angry boyfriend that won't let guests come over and is barking at them when they come in the door?
Welcome.
What's up? Or maybe super nervous and acting like you never heard the doorbell before. And anxious.
Oh, there's one dog. Oh, he's another Rottweiler. That's right. Another Rottweiler. There you go. Another.
Which does your dog fall into? So your dog gets super excited when guests come over. It's not a bad thing. It just isn't the behavior we want at that point in time. I want my dogs mirroring us. We don't jump on our guests and get super excited, maybe give them hugs and shake their hands, but we need to be able to tell the dog what to do when things change.
You don't have to yell. You don't have to get over here. You don't have to change anything about you.
So, obviously, when guests come over, we'll let it come here.